Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to differentiate and win on Amazon. Let's get into it. When launching a product on Amazon, one of the most important strategies for long-term success is differentiation. Without a clear angle that makes your product stand out from the competition, it becomes extremely difficult to get traction. Simply offering a generic version of what already exists on Amazon, often called a Me Too product, won't deliver sustainable results. The key is to first define your ideal customer. Know who you're speaking to, what they value, and what would make your product more attractive to them than the others they see in search results. Start the process by identifying a product that solves a problem in a unique way. Then, when creating your listing, be intentional about everything from your images to your bullet points to the emotional triggers used in your A+ content. Many times, images are where differentiation becomes most obvious. Visuals can communicate benefits, use cases, lifestyle alignment, and even premium positioning, which often goes beyond just listing features. Another critical mistake many sellers make is competing solely on price. Attempting to undercut competitors from the beginning not only eats into your margins, but also sends the message that your product is low value. Instead, aim to position your product at a mid to premium price point. You can offer a heavy discount temporarily during the launch to gain visibility and sales velocity, but the important part is to raise that price later and hold it. This way, customers will perceive the initial launch price as a one-time offer rather than a permanent markdown. That perceived scarcity drives action. Worrying about whether customers will track your pricing history is not necessary. While there are tools like Keepa or Smart Scout that display pricing trends, most everyday consumers are not analyzing historical price charts. They shop in the moment, compare your offer against competitors on the same search results page, and make a quick decision based on presentation, trust, and perceived value. Consumables are a slight exception. If someone is repurchasing the same item repeatedly, such as a supplement, snack, or cleaning product, they might start to remember your usual price. That's where having a strong subscribe and save offer can make a difference. Even then, pricing is mostly a factor during the acquisition phase, when a buyer is considering your product for the first time. After that, brand loyalty and convenience often take over. Even with consumables, most shoppers are not breaking down cost per gram or cost per wipe. They're looking for speed, ease, and assurance. If your listing communicates that you're the trustworthy option, you'll get the sale, especially when your branding, photos, and messaging align with their expectations. Ultimately, the key to success is simple but not easy. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Build a product that's for someone, a clearly defined customer, and shape every aspect of your offer to speak directly to them. When your differentiation is obvious and valuable, your conversions will follow. That's how you win on Amazon. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.